Brand family, don't forget to like and subscribe. So, how's your school going? Nice or bad? Me, nice. But do you guys have new classes or what? I don't know. Okay, but for today's video, I think this is gonna be a short video. Not short, not short. This is a video. Okay. So we're opening this pack. Just yeah, only two. Yeah, yeah. Don't hate, don't hate. I think this is gonna be more than 1 minute video. Cause the I see look it's gonna be 1 minute. I did it, and it's gonna be 1 minute, and it's 1 minute. Bro, what's this? No way, they broke it already. Oh, they did not break it. Bro, mini. Bro, why is this mini? I just gotta say. Wait, can I even do it? Wait, let me see. The I think I don't know. But let's try at school. Now let's know how to put it. I think it's like that. Yes, I'm right. So we have a brand new Alexa. Let's try it out. Let's get my pencil. Let's try it out with my pen. Okay, let's see. We have my pencil case. So it's my yes, I'm grade 4. Yes, I'm grade 4. And I'm still little, yeah. I'm a little boy. Yes, look. I have a lot of ball pens. Yeah. Some of this mayor gave it to us. Yes, the mayor came to our school. Not trying to flex, okay? But if I gonna say the mayor came to our school. Okay. That's what I sound if I'm flexing. But I'm not flexing. Okay, let's clean it. So let's try it out. It's a, ooh, okay. OMG, it's working. It's working. OMG, it's working actually. Oh, look, it's white, right? But why is it look like blue? Oh, cause it's blue. Blue for boys. OMG. I gonna use this for drawing actually. Cause we always use ball pen for writing. But some of my classmates don't have ball pens, so I don't know why. Cause we're ball pens. We're we're grade 4. We have to use ball pens. And what? Okay, it's full. Okay, it's not full. This okay. This is good. This okay, nice. And we did. Let's try it. Oh, nah, nah. This sucks. It just fell out again. Ah, okay, let's go. Um, oh, oh, that's why. That's why. Cause it's my pencil is broken. So I gonna clean my pencil case. I gonna clean my pencil